We have already studied about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. We have seen so many examples also, like 2, 4, 6, 8. This is an AP, or 5, 10, 15, 20. This is an AP. Again 3, 3, 3. This is also an AP. So here we are adding 0. Here we are adding 5 to the preceding number to get the next number. And the general form of AP also we have seen in last video. General form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So in today's video we will study what is the nth term of an AP. So here each numbers listed in this AP we call as term. So first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, etc. The same way, general form I can write first term as A, second term I can write as A plus D. This A plus D I can write as A plus 2 minus 1 into D, because 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Now the third term they have given as A plus 2D. So I can write as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Now can you say what will be the fourth term? Fourth term is A plus 3D. This I can write as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. And fifth term I can write as A plus 4D. That is nothing but A plus 5 minus 1 into D. The same way, any number of terms I can write. For example, I can write a 98th term. I can write as A plus 97D, that is A plus 98 minus 1 into D. So in general, we can write the nth term. I write as AN. I can write as A plus, we can see here, when it is third term, it is 3 minus 1. When it is fourth term, I have written as 4 minus 1. When it is fifth term, it is 5 minus 1. Same way, nth term, I can write as A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula, first formula that you need to learn in this lesson. That is, nth term of AP is nothing. It is denoted as AN and it is given as A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. N is the N means how many terms are there, number of terms. Here 3 means third term, 4 means fourth term. Same way AN means nth term. So AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the nth term of AP is given by the formula AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference. So using this formula, we will do some of the problems. Fill in the blanks. So first term is given as 7, common difference is given as n, n is 8, and we need to find AN. So here we'll write the general formula AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We need to find n is 8. So A8 we need to find, that is A plus 8 minus 1 into D. So A8, 8th term is A plus 7D. Now we will substitute the value of A and D, 7 plus 7 into 3. So which is equal to 28. So my A8th term is 28. Now the second question is, the first term is given minus 18. Number of terms will be 10. And the 10th term they have given as 0. So again we will write the same formula. AN is equal to, AN means nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here they have given n as 10. So the 10th term is A plus 10 minus 1 into D. and 10th term they have given as 0 equal to a plus 9d. We need to find out d. A value they have given as minus 18 plus 9d. This minus 18, when you take to the other side, it will become plus 18 equal to 9d, or d equal to 18 by 9, which is equal to 2. So value of d is 2. Now the third question is, we need to find out a. They have given d, n and a n. So a n is again a plus n minus 1 into d. Here 18th term is given. So a plus 18 minus 1 into d, and 18th term they have given as minus 5, which is equal to a plus 17d. And instead of a, this time instead of d, we need to find out a. So it is minus 3, 17 into minus 3, minus 5 equal to, so minus 5 plus 51 equal to a. So a is equal to 46. So we can fill here 46. Now in the next question we need to find out n. They have given first term, common difference, and the nth term they have given. We need to find which term is 3.6. So we'll write the general formula. A n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now nth term they have given as 3.6 equal to, first term is 18.9 plus, I don't know the value of n, we need to find the value of n. So and d is given as 2.5. This 3.6 equal to minus 18.9 plus 2.5n minus 2.5. Now we need to simplify this. So 3.6 plus 18.9 plus 2.5 equal to 2.5n. So when you add this, you will get 25 equal to 2.5n, and n equal to 25 divided by 2.5. When there is a decimal in the denominator, we need to remove that decimal. It is 250 divided by 25, which is equal to 10. So the 10th term of this AP is 3.6. So the next question is, in the following AP, find the missing term in the boxes. So here one term is missing. 2, after that we don't know the second term. Third term is 26. So first term is 2 and the third term is 26. Third term means I can write a plus 2d equal to 26. Now we need to find the second term, and we know the formula to find out the second term, or the general formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So second term it will be a plus 2 minus 1 into d, or a plus d will be your second term. So now I need to find out d, then only I can write the second term. First term I know it is 2 equal to 26. 2d equal to 26 minus 2. So 2d equal to 24 and d equal to 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So a2 is first term plus 12. D common difference is 12. So my second term is 14. So you can fill the box with 14. So the first term and third term is not given. Second term and fourth term is given. We need to find out first term and third term. So second term a2 they have given as 13. And a4 fourth term they have given as 3. we know the general formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a2 I can write as a plus d equal to 13. Again a plus 3d equal to 3. We have studied pair of linear equations in two variables. So here we can consider a and d as variable, and we can use elimination method to solve this. I'm going to subtract 1 minus 2. So when I subtract, I should change the sign. This will get cancelled. Minus 2d equal to plus 10, and d equal to 10 by minus 2, which is equal to minus 5. So I got d as minus 5. Now I want to find out a plus d equal to 13. So we have d as minus 5. So I can substitute here, and a will be equal to 13 plus 5. A is 18. So first term I got 18, then 13. That means d common difference is minus 5. We need to subtract 13 minus 5, which is equal to 8. So my third term is 8 and the first term is 18. So next question, first term is given minus 4, then a2 we don't know, a3 we don't know, a4 we don't know, a5 also we have to find. Last term, that is 6, a sixth term is given. First term and the last term is given. In between 4 terms we need to find. So first term is minus 4. There are total 6 terms are there, and sixth term is 6. So I know the general formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So sixth term is a plus 6 minus 1 into d. Sixth term is 6 and first term is minus 4. 6 minus 1 is 5d. Now I can find out the value of d. 6 plus 4 equal to 5d. 10 equal to 5d and d equal to 10 by 5, which is 2. Now easily I can write all the terms if I get this common difference. So I got the common difference as 2. So I can write the remaining terms. a2 will be a plus d, that is minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Again a3 will be a2 plus d, that is minus 2 plus 2. So this is 0. Again a4 will be a3 plus d, third term plus common difference. This is another way of doing instead of using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So a3 I can write, a3 I got as 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Again a5 is a4 plus d, that is 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So thank you for watching my video.